Good morning, children. Today we are starting Unit 7, that is equilibrium. So, introductory part is cancelled by GSEB. Then also we need to understand what actually equilibrium is. So, you must be knowing, children, H2O liquid will give us H2O vapor. Okay. When it happens, when a liquid evaporates, in a closed container, ध्यान रखना, in a closed container, what happens? The molecules with relatively higher kinetic energy, जब molecules motion में आएंगे, क्यों? Because heat is provided. When heat is provided, liquid will evaporate. So molecules with relatively higher kinetic energy will escape the liquid surface. Okay, and simultaneously ये escape करेंगे और किस बनेंगे? into vapor phase. And जो वेपर है उसमें से नंबर ऑफ लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल्स फ्रॉम द वेपर फेज विल स्ट्राइक द लिक्विड सरफेस. The molecules of vapor phase will strike the liquid surface. And when they will strike the liquid surface and will be retained in liquid. Understood? Suppose karo this is a boiler in which we are boiling the liquid. It is closed. Correct? And liquid is there. Heat we are providing. Okay? Heat we are providing. Heat. So what will happen? The vapor will go up. Okay? When heat is provided, vapor will go up. And these molecules again will condense and will come back to liquid. First it will go up and then vapor will come back to the liquid. So this state is known as equilibrium. Okay? And it gives rise to a constant vapor pressure because an equilibrium in which the number of molecules leaving the liquid, so in equilibrium the number of molecules leaving the liquid, जो liquid से vapor बने हैं, leaving the liquid and leaving the liquid will equal the number returning to the liquid, will be equal to the number of molecules returning to the liquid. It happens in equilibrium. ठीक है? डबल एरो का क्या मीनिंग होता है? वी नो इट द स्टेट द लिक्विड टू वेपर एंड वेपर टू लिक्विड फेज इज कंटिन्यूड. ओके, and the mixture of reactant and product is known as equilibrium mixture. So we know these things. Then comes the new thing, that is the new term that is known as dynamic equilibrium. Okay, what is dynamic equilibrium? When the rate of forward and backward reaction become equal, then it is known as dynamic equilibrium stage. Then there is no change in concentration of various species in the reaction mixture. When the rate of forward and backward reaction become equal, then there is no change in concentration of participating species, जो रिएक्शन में पार्ट ले रहे हैं, participating species in the reaction mixture. ठीक है, this is known as dynamic equilibrium. When the rate of forward and backward reaction become equal and there is no change in concentration of participating species in the reaction mixture. इसमें 3 points हो सकते हैं, 3 groups हो सकते हैं. The reaction, it is given in the textbook if you will open, the reactions that proceed nearly to completion and only negligible concentration of reactants are left. Based on the extent to which reactions proceed to reach the state of chemical equilibrium, 3 conditions are there. 3 groups are made or classified. Right. Based on the extent to which the reactions proceed to the state of, to reach the state of equilibrium. First one is the reactions that proceed nearly to complete. Reaction proceed near to complete and very less concentration of reactants are left. यानी पूरा का पूरा प्रोडक्ट बन गया. Understood? And very less concentration of reactant are left. ठीक है. Then second classification is only small amount of product are for most of the reactants are unused or remain unchanged. यानी बहुत नेग्लिजिबल पार्ट उसका यूज़ हुआ. ठीक है. ओनली स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर फाउंड. सो ओनली स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर फाउंड. And the third one is the reaction in which the concentration of reactant and product are comparable when the system is in equilibrium. When the system is in equilibrium, then the concentration of reactants and products are comparable यानी to a good extent. जितना reactant कंज्यूम हुआ उतना प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है. comparable. Okay. So you did this. All these things though we know, but it is necessary to tell you about this introduction part. Thank you.